Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make chicken lettuce wraps today in my way. So this is not any traditional recipe. I don't know exactly how those are made, but this is how I tried and I liked. I'm sharing with you. Took two tablespoons of oil in a pan and added some finely chopped onions in there, and then ginger garlic paste also. After the onions are fried a little bit, I'll add ginger garlic paste. So if you don't have ginger garlic paste, you can use little ginger powder and garlic powder too. Or if you have fresh ginger and garlic, grate them and add to it. It's up to you how you want to do it. Just about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon is fine. That's how much I added. Fry it very well, until they are slightly brown, because ginger and garlic smells bad if they are not fried well. Then I am adding the ground chicken. You can cut the boneless, skinless chicken and chop them finely and add. It's up to you how you want. Very fine. So I didn't have patience to chop it that fine. So I just use the ground chicken. This is a good ground chicken, no fat or anything. So I didn't. Usually people they fry it separately in a pan and take out all the fat, but this one doesn't have any fat. It's good one. No bone, no fat, nothing. Like, it is very good meat. So I use this one. Fry it very well until it's cooked well. You see that water, all that water, when chicken releases water when you try to cook it, when until all that water is gone, you need to do this. This is soy sauce and Sriracha sauce. Both of them I mixed 2 tablespoons each. And first I showed you cut finely chopped beans, and then second one I showed you is finely chopped celery. A little bit, like a half a cup or 1 cup. It's up to you how much you want. I like more vegetables, so I just added. I cannot eat the meat just by itself, so I added some vegetables in there. Since I don't use any water chestnuts or anything, so I thought celery sticks kind of give that kind of taste. You can actually add it a little later also, after the beans and meat is cooked well. You can add the celery sticks if you want that crunchy feeling. And I added about a half a cup of water into it and covered it and left it so that the beans and chicken together can cook again. It's about 10 minutes. Initially, I fried the chicken for 10 minutes. Then I cooked about 10 minutes with the water, with the vegetables and water. Now I added the sauce mix and cook well for few more minutes. If you want, you can add a little salt. It's up to you how much salt you want, because those sauces, store-bought sauces, have some salt in there already. But if you see that there is it's still fluidy inside until that is dried up totally. You want it to be dry. So I also added Hebanero sauce. It's up to you what sauces you want to add. I thought it was not spicy enough for me, so I added some Hebanero, to give a different taste, mix and match every taste. So, and then fried it until all the liquid is gone and it's dry. So if it is wet, very wet and fluid on the bottom, like when you put it in the wraps, they don't stick together very well. It's dripping and you won't be able to eat it very well. So I fried it until all that moisture is gone, and then take it out and wrap it in the however you want to put it. Serve with the lettuce wraps. I'm going to show you at the end how I put it. It's up to you how you want to wrap it, or some people like close it with a toothpick or something. But I can just in the restaurant style, like in PF Chang or something, we used to have it. That's how I eat it. I just serve that. That's how I serve it. See, this is how I serve it, like in there, like so. Crunchy, tasty chicken lettuce wraps is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll be posting more videos. Thank you very much.